hard. I'm still alive. Oh, crap. Boop, boop. Score! Prater Groffin! Yes. You killed our loser daughter. So, I don't care. Me and you could have gone to our daughter. If in a minute we could go to child services. I don't care. But you will care. Or what? This. Grow up. Holy crap! I'm arrested now! Need a diaper?